Why industry needs to focus on planning and scheduling. It's been studied and established that a lot of money, ladies and gentlemen, are being lost from machine downtime across the industry. One of the estimates put that as $1.4 trillion. So we need to see ways of saving some of that huge amount of loss. What are the goals of top management? A number of CEOs, 139 of them, were asked, what are the top goals? And this is the results of the findings. 63% of them wanted to focus on reduce operating expense. And 46 wanted to focus on revenue growth. Improve profitability was the next in line, followed by customer satisfaction and then risk management. So as you can see, the top scorers are reduce operating expense and revenue growth, both of which are fundamental, of course, for the long-term survival of the industry and the ability to grow. And planning and scheduling plays a major role in both of these arenas. In terms of performance criteria used to identify best-in-class industry will give the operational equipment effectiveness, OEE, 88%, whilst the industry average is 81%. So you can see applying best-in-class methodologies gives a boost in the OEE in comparison with the industrial average. I'm not going to talk about the laggard. Asset downtime, look at the big reduction in asset downtime in comparison with the industry average, 2% as opposed to 11%. Return on asset versus plan, again, see the massive difference of 25% as opposed to 7% for the industry average. Now let's just go through a historical journey through the industrial revolutions, just to see where the industries have been, where are we now, and where we are heading. Of course, in the first industrial revolution, the introduction of mechanical production facilities supported by water and steam power, followed by the second industrial revolution, where mass production fuels the second industrial revolution with the help of electrical power. Electrical power took hold of things. Third industrial revolution, where IT and electronics allows for further automation and production process. The era we are in now, the fourth industrial revolution, is the connected enterprise, leading to the fourth industrial revolution, connecting production facilities with the Internet of Things. Now let's see the impact of planning and scheduling on these. The new era of connected decision making. The more, they say, information is power, and the more information we have, the better we are in being able to take the right decisions, and hence the business case and the justification for the Internet of Things and connectivity. If we look at the level of human involvement over these historical developments of the Industrial Revolution, In the past, of course, all of the reliance was on human, 100%. Rule-based computing, machine learning, and machine intelligence have been the shift in technology associated with that. Rule-based interference, supervised learning, unsupervised narrow learning, unsupervised context-aware learning, and now self-aware unsupervised learning, which of course is are all heading. Now, many expect that the shift in terms of human involvement is going to go from 100% to 0%. I'm not of that category. I will say probably 20%. I think you'll still need to have human interference in order to at least make sure that things, especially with the machine learning, things are still in context. Now, maybe this will change later. Use of maintenance strategy today: reactive 40%, preventive 30%, on condition monitoring 20%, and predictive 10%. Is this going to change? I think so. I think the future is going to see almost a reverse of that. Big reduction, and we are seeing with our industries the focus on reducing reactive maintenance strategies. So the expectation is going to go to 10%. Preventive is going to slide down a little from 30% to 20%. On condition is going to slide up a little from 20% to 30%, but the big jump is going to be on the predictive, which is going to expect it to go to 40%. The industrial Internet of Things is leading to an increased use of on-condition and predictive maintenance strategies. Although still relevant, reactive and preventive maintenance strategies do little to guard against unplanned equipment downtime and result in high cost. The goal, ladies and gentlemen, is to increase the use of more advanced maintenance strategies.